My name is Alex. I live in a village with my mom and dad. We have a big farm. I have a friend, Dan. He helps me look after our animals. Horsies, I will feed you right now. Done! Piggies love acorns. Dan, help me shake the oak tree so that we can collect as many acorns as we can. That's it! Oh no! The chickens are really hungry! You should feed them some seeds and they will lay eggs for you. I love omelets! They are so full! Ready! My dad and I love fishing. Come on, put a worm on the hook. Sometimes you can catch something other than fish. Sometimes you can catch something other than fish. Sometimes you can catch something other than fish. Ready! Dan and I decided to build a raft and sail down the river. Yippee! Dan, let's make water lily bouquets for our mothers. That's it! My mom told me to pack my suitcase. Let's see. Done! My dad said to load the suitcases into the car. How should I arrange them? Oh no, something's not right. Let's go. You did it! Dad got a new job in the city. It's time to pack our suitcases and go on an adventure. I will miss our village house. Oh no! The yard is so gray and dirty. How will we live here? I'll clean it. We will send the garbage to the recycling plant. Now I will put all the garbage into the recycling container. That's it! We need to improve our new house. I'll water the flowers, fix the wallpaper, and repair everything. It's all clean now. Keep it up. Right, time to work on the kitchen. The tap is dripping. We need to save water. Where's my wrench? Oh no, something's not right. Done! So messy. We'll clean this up right away. Ready. You can't throw garbage out of the window. You could hit someone. Keep it up. The field is full of garbage. We must pick it up and send it for recycling. I'll sort the garbage now. We must place paper, glass, plastic, and metal in separate containers. Oh no, something's not right. Yippee! Using a press will make new parts. I wonder what they will be. You did it! Yippee! What color should we paint the robot? Oh no, something's not right. Ready. Now let's assemble the robot using the blueprint. Oh no, something's not right. My friend is ready. Yep, ready. You did it!
Yippee! We can also assemble a bicycle.
Dad said we can use the parts from the storeroom to build a bicycle. We should look for them. Done! Help me, Timmy. Pass me the parts. You did it! Let's decorate the yard and plant some trees. Beautiful! You were
You
great.
did a
Good
great
job.
job.
You did it.